It's 1930s British India, and the sleepy town of Chittagong is about to get a rude awakening. Ashutosh Gwarkar brings us this next film based on real events. 56 young boys, 5 revolutionaries, and 1 teacher start a whole revolution. Abhishek Bachchan stars in Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se.
Hey, this is Ashutosh Gwarkar, and you're watching me on AVS Network. Keep watching.
You are guilty as charged of triggering a revolution.
You are guilty as judged.
Actually, I stumbled upon the book, which is called Do and Die. And the first immediate intrigue point for me was the title itself. You know, we've often heard of do or die, but to see do and die, and I found myself opening the book right away and checking what it is about. And then I read about Chittagong Uprising. There is a detailed account. It is a book by Manini Chatterjee. And it's about the revolution in 1930, which I didn't know anything about. I wouldn't even say little known. I had no knowledge of it. And I was fascinated by this untold revolution.
A story which really should be told on a cinematic scale. A story which I really feel we'd like, to tell the world about, because it's a great story. It's about, a group of people who at a very young age who are prepared to lose their lives for the freedom of their country.
शुजिदा हम ठेकेदारी पारा के रहने वाले हैं और हमारा एक मैदान है वहाँ पर जो अंग्रेज सिपाहियों ने हमसे ले लिया है।
हमें पता चला है कि आप उनके खिलाफ देश की आजादी के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, तो आप देश ले लीजिए, हमें हमारा मैदान दे दीजिए।
And the people who sadly have been lost somewhere in the pages of history, and we all felt we felt very strongly about the fact that this is a story we should, bring onto screen and tell the world about.
Yes, it's a detailed account. What Manini ji did was, she referred to many other Bengali language sources of the different freedom fighters who participated in the revolution. She brought all of that material to the book, and she's the daughter-in-law of Kalpana Datta. So Kalpana ji and she had an immediate connection, and she was able to bring in a lot of other information, extra, additional detailed information, which probably no other book can give.
Rujuda was a very, very great man. Somebody who gave his life for the freedom of our country. And he's somebody you want to respect. You don't want to disrespect what he did and the kind of person that he was. So there's that responsibility on your shoulders as a performer, that to bring the same, to accord the character the respectability, and to perform in a way in which the audience leaves the theatre respecting the character the way he should be for what all he's done. No, Ashu and I don't fight actually. We're both Aquarians, so we get along famously. I'd like to pride myself in believing that, if I'm doing a shot and Ashu says cut, I know why he said cut and what he requires from me. Hi, I'm Abhishek Bachchan and wish all of you very happy holidays from the entire team of Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se. Enjoy yourselves, be safe, and God bless.